Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th physics chapter number 1 measurement and units. This is our part 3. In this part we are going to learn the same thing in the form of a visual, that is units of some derived quantities. Units of some derived quantities. Total 8 derived quantities we are going to discuss. First one is area. Area and the formula or relation with other physical quantities of area is length into breadth. That is meter into meter equal to meter square. That are the units. So the unit of area is meter square. Second is volume. Volume. Length into breadth into height. That is equal to meter into meter into meter. That is equal to meter cube. So this is the derived quantity, this is its formula, and unit is meter cube. Third one is frequency. Frequency. That is equal to 1 upon time period. That is 1 upon second, and the unit is 1 upon second, or that is hertz. So hertz Hz is the unit of frequency, and its formula is 1 upon time period. Then it is the density. Density is so common and we all know its formula, that is mass upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. That is equal to kg upon meter cube. Volume we know, that is meter cube, and mass we know in SI system it is measured in kg. So like this, after this there is speed. Speed also we all know, that is distance upon time. Distance upon time. Distance upon time. And then after that, its unit is meter per second. Sixth one is velocity. Velocity also we all know. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. And its unit is, the unit of velocity is again meter per second. Then seventh one is acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. The unit is meter per second upon second, that is meter per second square. Then there is force. Force is mass into acceleration. Eighth one is force. Mass into acceleration. And its unit is kg into meter per second square. Kg into meter per second square. Mass is kg and acceleration is meter per second square. So the unit is kg meter per second square. And that is the Newton. The value of N. Now we'll solve a question based on this topic. Remember these quantities. In this question, we have to find the SI units of some derived quantities. First one is pressure, and the formula of pressure is force upon area. As a hint, it is given. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Now, we have learned that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So, force is equal to mass into acceleration upon area. We have learned that is length into breadth. The units of mass is kg and units of acceleration is meter per second square upon the units of length into breadth, that is meter square. Will cancel 1m and 1m, will get kg per meter second square. Kg per meter second square. This would be the answer of this pressure's derived quantity, that is pressure, and the SI unit is kg per meter second square. Another is power. Second one is power. Power. Now, power is equal to work done. Work done upon time taken. In work done, the formula is force into displacement. Force into displacement force into displacement. Now over here the formula of force is again mass into acceleration. And all that. So like that you have to solve, you have to put the formula of force, that is mass into acceleration, and displacement can be velocity into time. So and then we will divide it by time taken, that is seconds. Till this. Next is some rules for writing units. We'll learn some rules for writing units and some interesting units in part 4. I hope you've understood till this part 3. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video.